Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. S&P has gapped down this morning like we talked about, and then right at the open we made a beautiful rally, 1, 2, 3 bars in a row. A little bit of a stall here at this gap fill area from the previous day, and then just a tiny stall there, and then we even broke out of that to our next logical spot of resistance area, this 109.50 mark that we talked about from before. So a lot of support through here being broken, support, support, support again, broken, broken, and now it's support again. So what we're looking for now is this symmetrical triangle that we have forming right at the 200 MA. Again, just a little 15-minute chart here, so not the biggest indicator, but we did blast through some good resistance on the way up. And on the 60-minute chart, you can see it even more clearly. We're just holding now this 109 mark. So nice little high base consolidation beginning here as we try to take apart all of this overhead resistance after this 100% retracement of the last run-up. And we do again have the 110 mark, the declining 200 MA on the 60. And on a daily chart, this just barely blips up on the radar, but it is still a higher day so far. So that's what we're seeing. Again, it's hard to break through 200 MA on when you're below that on a daily chart, and the weekly chart not even really worth looking at since today is just the first day of that week, but we are holding up above the 50 MA here. So good to see that. Scrunching up into a 3-minute chart, just kind of fine-tuning this. It's just a great run. Series of lower highs and lower lows now, but still holding at this 109 area. Let's take a look and see what our market internals are doing. A little bit neutral, so consolidating now in this neutral range, which makes sense as we approach resistance. And the trend Q also consolidating, but in a bullish zone, 0.5, very, very nicely bullish there. And the VIX is also sort of just chopping sideways. Big run up this morning, and then the volatility bled out again, and now we're just kind of pulling up / back now in the broad markets and consolidating here. So I'd like to see the VIX drop at least below 32.50, if not below 32, before I got too frisky about going long into all this overhead resistance and moving averages in an environment that is nervous about overseas market activity. So that's what I'm seeing in the market right now. Hope you have a great rest of the trading day, and look forward to D7's video at the close.